Coming to the point, angles, fine. So what you understand by the word angle or angles? That means how is angle formed? How is angle formed? So basically, when two line segments meet, suppose these are the two line segments, if they meet at a point, they form an angle. Fine. If two line segments meet at a point, if we take this some point, okay, this is some end, this is some point. So if two line segments meet at a point, they form angle. Suppose I take one line segment and another comes and joins here. Suppose, okay, this is a consider it as a line. So when it joins, it forms an angle. Here also it forms an angle. Fine. Right? Here also it forms an angle. So this is, you have to remember is that, so angle is formed when two line segments meet at the point. Fine. Now how to name an angle? Suppose I take a parallelogram or any quadrilateral. Suppose I take A, B, C, D. So suppose I have to name this angle. Right? Two line segments joining at a point forms an angle. So this is angle. Right? So this angle I have to name. Suppose I have to name this angle. How do I do that? Now basically you can do in two methods. Now here it is not complicated, it is a single angle. Suppose I take one more figure. Suppose I draw diagonals and all. Okay. Diagonals A, B, C, D. Suppose I have to name this angle. Now this becomes a little complicated. Right? When you compare, this becomes a little complicated to name the angle. Now here it is simple. You can name it as what? Angle A. Here you can't name it as angle A because we want this angle, not this whole angle. Fine, got it? So angle A we cannot name it as angle A. Now how to name this? So you have to remember that either you start from this thing or this thing, anywhere you can start. DAB, angle DAB, or you can write BAD. You have to remember one thing, that the center point should be the angle denoted. Right? तो जो सेंटर वाला जो भी लेटर तुम डिनोट कर रहे हो वो एंगल पे रिप्रेजेंट करना चाहिए. सेंटर देख रहे हो, both are correct. I have started from this point and this thing I have started from this point. Same thing, right? So you can denote by this thing, or in this figure you can directly write angle A, but you cannot write this then angle A, right? So this angle, if you want to represent this angle, then you have to write angle CAB or angle BAC. A reference is A. Got it? Right? So this is how we have to represent any angle.